Good morning. Welcome to Rustam Healthcare. It's a homeopathic session for all of you. Today we gonna discuss a common complaint in winters known as whooping cough, also known as kali khansi. It is serious medical conditions, especially in children's. It leads to the children's with rattling cough, gasping, drowsiness, and constant coughing, especially in night, and ends with drowsiness and vomiting. It's required special homeopathic approach and appropriate homeopathic remedy with a specific symptom and specialization and also individualization of the patient. Some homeopathic medicines we have discussed like antimonium tartricum. It leads to the patient with rattling cough, drowsiness, and with the vomit. Also, the Belladonna is a second best remedy for the whooping cough. This is especially for the patient who have high fever and with gasping, and also the chilliness and constant cough in the night. Also, we have third remedy with the patient with have nausea and sneezing constant, and with a positive approach about cough and kali khansi. This is the best homeopathic remedy I have ever seen. You have to take a special homeopathic approach for the next upcoming disease like whooping cough, and you will also come to the homeopathic store and homeopathic clinic, Rustam Healthcare, for the case taking, and also comes to the OPD with a proper approach. Thank you so much.